enjoy myself. This is the first time I'm taking the bus from. This is an Oxford bus. I'm taking this bus from Mandeville, 2,000 about 2,100 to Kingston, and from Kingston to Port Antonio. So it has a bathroom and Wi-Fi. So it's a pretty smooth ride. And so it's best for you guys when you want to travel without getting a car, your 2 bags. You could book your ticket also on the app. It's pretty good, so you don't have to stress out on the minivans, you know. So this is an Oxford Express. So this is an Oxford bus, and we're leaving Mandeville, and we're going to Kingston, and then Fort Antonio. Travel like this. Jamaica, good life. Randy and New Kingston Business Center. Right now, we're at the Knoxford bus place. And this is where, we're going to Onato Bay. You see, what's happened is this bus is great because you can take it from Mandeville for like 20 bucks. It's Project Atomy, Portitonian Junction. Departures Orchard, Montego Bay Farm, and the grill. Wicked. So I could go straight to the grill from here. That is hot. So that's how I could travel throughout Jamaica without a car, in comfort, in your sleep. So, and Knoxford is an app also. You travel through Jamaica. Add a K to it. So from Kingston, you go straight to Negril. From Negril, you go to Mandeville. This is the best way to travel in Jamaica. In case you don't want to drive, you don't want to take a taxi. So this is how I'm going to be traveling. When I get local, I talk to a driver. Everyone, Jamaica Good Life, Randy. They're on the move. Going to Portland now. Love Portland. Really excited about Portland. You know, so they're coming like a soldier. Second bus to Portland. Love, keep supporting JamaicaGoodLife.com. Big up to Nick. Stay on the course. Big up to Mission and family. Looking to see Nadine. It's been a journey so far. And you know, I always do it with you guys. Eric, stay focused, trusty. Everybody, Nadisha, everybody, King Baba, Recon. Thanks for all your support. I'm still on the movement, alright? Love, like Angela Beck, Queen Cuisine, respect, love. Talk about crime in Jamaica. When you live in places like these, it's peaceful. You know. Now this, growing up, this road right here to Port Antonio, Onato Bay first, and then Port Antonio. Is a road that I traveled frequently when I was growing up, and it has a lot of curves and stuff. Some big buses used to drive here. used to be afraid when I was growing up. But this is one of the most luscious places in Jamaica, St. Mary and Portland. Some of the most beautiful places as far as greenery. Coconut, white yam, mangoes, plums. Yeah. This is what I grew up seeing every single day. I love Jamaica. This is Jamaica good enough. This is random. I remember this junction, little shops and stuff. We're gonna have a blast on this journey. It'll be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. Look at this. This is where we should build one of the retreats around here. This is the return here. I was afraid of growing up. The bus. Look at this place. Look at this. Great. And the trucks are always driving, and each driver helps the other driver to direct traffic. It's the rivers down there. Houses are built. Down in there. I am home. St. Mary. I am home. St. Mary. Manchester, love you. St. Mary, love you. Portland, love you. And St. Catherine, and Clarendon, Spanish Town, Kingston. It's all the places I grew up. I'm able to rediscover them as an adult. And this is where I started thinking we can capturing Jamaica. Oh, that's, I remember that rock. The river down here. Careful around this corner. This is your country. This is going near Port Antonio. So please come back and take your land and take your country. Especially buy as much land as you can in Portland. Okay? Near Port Antonio. Here we go now. Alright. So we're live. Jamaica, good life. Yeah, man. You're in the tired upon a mission. I'm gonna bring you the best falls, some secret falls. Might make a connection. And I'm gonna have to buy some minutes to broadcast directly. So blessings, man. Jamaica is the most beautiful place in the world. Best place in the world to live. Best natural nature. If you're into, this is where you have to retire. Port Antonio. Make sure to get on the land in Port Antonio. Come by back to the country. You know, Port Antonio is beautiful. Look at that. Somerset Falls. We're in Somerset Falls now. There's land for sale over there. Look at it. Everything green from the minute I left Kingston. Beautiful it is. So beautiful, girls. It's so beautiful. Your country is so beautiful. Your country. Banana trees, coconut trees. It's so beautiful. This is Jamaica, good night. This is all man talking about. This is all man telling about. Don't let them take Jamaica from you. Don't be afraid. Do you see any crime here? Do you see any crime going on? Jamaica is so big. It's bigger than Kingston. It's bigger than Montego Bay. You know, Jamaica is so big because of the mountains. You know, the air, the water, the healing. It's amazing. I'm your explorer. Well, you knew what a journey. We had a party. Michelle, big up yourself, big up the family. 10 more minutes, we should be in Port Antonio. Jamaica 57th. Look at this place, man. So if you don't want more live, make sure to support the thing. Go to JamaicaGoodLife.com. I have to get more minutes on my phone. Yeah, and I'll show you the live waterfalls. Big up to Mike, Deacon, Lambert, Nick, the whole family. Watch that face. Look at this. This is your place, man. This is your home. Miles and miles. Beach and greenery. Go to JamaicaGoodLife.com. This country is not some crime killing spree country. You guys have it all wrong. You have it all wrong. They're not trying to show you and tell you what's going on here. There's development, it's beautiful. If you focus on the negative, you only see the negative in life. Focus on the positive. You'll see the positive in life. It is what you focus on. Now, look at all of this. Should we be focused on this? The simplicity, the greenery, the beauty, what the Almighty creation has given us? Is this success? Is this what success looks like? Is this God's country? I think so. This is what success looks like, people. This is what life looks like. This is it. This is it. This is what life looks like. This is it. Food, abundant. Because all the people I'm living. And every day them get up at about crime at Jamaica. See that? Burn goes. Eh? Live. Jamaica live. This is Airport Antonio. They say, you know, I'm running for talking about running the talk thing. Yes. I made it. Most beautiful place, one of the most beautiful places in Jamaica. Yeah. Nadine Lee, you're near St. Thomas. Oh man, look at this. People, don't let nobody take the country from you. All you need is a car, a business, and you live old, natural. Yeah. So what do you tell me? You tell me we can't live here? Did you see? If you focus on the positive in life, the positive will surround you. If you focus on the negative will surround you. Law of attraction. You must focus on the positive. Alright, now I think we're coming up on Port Antonio soon. I got the bus at 6:30 in Mandeville, and it's now 12:46. I had to transfer to another bus in Kingston. Now, if I took a car, it would be shorter, but I wouldn't get a chance to film. You know, there would be a lot of gas. You know, the roads are very windy. Look at the house. Nice. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is your country, people. Buying land in Port Antonio, Manchester, Westmoreland. Anywhere there's water, there's life. And you buy a small piece of land. Don't go crazy. Get lined up in the mountains. I have a contact. They're selling 71 acres of land different in Manchester. So what you do is you buy a piece of land in Portland, build your little house so you can go to the beach and the falls. Then you buy a big piece in the mountain in Manchester or St. Elizabeth. You do your farming, you plant your guava tree, you plant your salsa tree, you plant your fruits, avocado among everything. And on the weekends you go reap your food and go back to Port Maria. Look at this. Hello. So there's a strategy to this. You don't put all your eggs in one basket. And don't forget St. Mary. So you don't have to buy a lot of land. You just need a little square house with a bathroom. And you can live in different places when you retire. Because Jamaica is too beautiful to stay in one place. If you build your house too close to people, you're going to hear a lot of noise when music starts playing. So if I build a cabin up in the mountains in Manchester, find a piece of land in Port Antonio, build a cabin here, boom, I'm enjoying retirement to the fullest. It's all about Port Antonio, it's all about Negril, Westmoreland, it's all about Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Trelawney. You do something in the internal for farming, then you do on the west, or St. Thomas for the beach and the rivers. So when you retire, you have to have a lifestyle of diversity in the water. You know, in the Westmoreland, the Mavroon River. So what you must understand is water is going to be a challenge in the future. So you must always live near where the river begins. This is your Jamaica. Come home and take it. This is Jamaica Good Life. It's a pleasure for me to bring you this program and show you your country. I can't read the text right now. I think we're about there. It's 15 degrees Celsius. Look at your country. And we have one of the finest tour guides who are going to take us around and show us Portland. You know, so keep supporting it so I could finance this tour, feed the people as I move along. Support it at JamaicaGoodLife.com. And when I come back to New York, you'll see all the videos. Look at that beautiful water right there. Yes. This is your country. Look, find the people that might live, man.